Okay.
Yeah,
there's a tank.
Yeah.
May tank guys, oh. What if there's a people in here?
You will find out eventually. Knock on the door, no?
Oy, oy, oy. Oy, oy, oy.
Storm lantern, no?
Let's go.
May masayang bata, oh. Masayang bata. Grabe. Daming bulaklak. Ang ganda dito. Pumipitas na siya ng bulaklak, oh.
I'm making a crown for myself. Like, you know,
Oh.
goes on.
Oh, these flowers.
Yeah, it might take an hour.
Sobrang dami, nagkalat yung bulaklak, ayun, oh, sa likod. Tapos may tangke doon, no? Ngayon guys, kakaibang camping susubukan natin ngayon kasi hindi to yung pangkaraniwang na camping na ginagawa ko talaga. Yung unang video natin na sinabi namin na kung bibili kami ng tent or something.
Let's do some glamping. Let's try some glamping.
I like the idea, babe.
So I'm gonna buy a new tent then.
Babe, what a new tent,
We have a
everyone.
new tent. Ito, first time namin to. Tada! This is our tent, guys. Look, ang laki niya. Sobrang laki. So first, ilagay muna natin tong tarp sa baba. Kasi ito yung magsisilbing parang protection niya, ganun. Dito natin masusubukan kung itong tent na to maganda rin sa hangin kasi tingnan nyo ang lakas ng hangin.
1, 2,
So,
3. Go. That's definitely more than 20 kilos.
Itong tent natin, napakalaki. Let's see. So, ang laki. This is huge, Bernie.
You think you need help?
Huge! Of course, I need help on this. Oh my goodness, ang laki nito! Oh!
Long.
We have may bomba yung tent natin, oh. May bomba yung natin. Lagay muna natin dito. Itatry ko kung kayang iset up ng isang tao dito. Sobrang laki. Pero pag hindi ko kaya, nandyan si Bernie. Tulungan tayo. Ha? I think. Oh!
Oh,
It's gonna go. It will fly away. Taran!
oh la la.
Ang laki!
That's long.
It's heavy as well.
So we've got the 4 corners pegged.
Let's do that for now and then let's pump the air. Pump natin yung hangin. Saan yung bomba? Taran!
We call the pump bomba.
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 We call it bomba. Why? Bomba.
That's cute, that's why.
Meron siyang gauge. Pag sa green na, yun na yung tamang pressure ng ng air beam. So, bombahan ko muna ng mga So, parang kalahating pressure lang yung ilalagay natin. Tapos mamaya, i-full natin. Okay. Vent niya. Ayan, oh. Ayun, meron siyang vent. Para at least may hangin papasok. Yung hangin, malakas pa rin. Nanuko lahat ng tali niya. Ito yung niya, oh. Wow, this tent is nice, Bernie.
Oh.
Can't even reach.
There is space to grow.
Compared to our last tent, ito iba.
Oh my days.
This one is different.
This is
Oh,
a
you have a
mansion.
screen. So at least there's no
Oh.
mosquito. You will come in.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oi. Oi,
Oh, that's
what's
nice.
happening?
No, at least it's sealed.
Oh, yes,
mansion
so
seal.
no snakes can go in.
Yeah.
And what I see, look, you can even put this in the floor, so like
Yeah.
this. And you can peg this out,
Uh-huh.
peg this
So
down.
it's flat.
You don't trip over.
So you don't trip over, yeah. But if you want, you can do this. And then you can seal.
In the evening, yeah?
Yeah, in the evening. There's a lock.
Oh, yeah.
Grab the Whoa!
Another big window.
Huh?
Another
It's
big
huge.
window.
Dito, there's another window in here.
No way.
Ang laki.
That's huge.
Huh?
That's huge.
Ganda. It's huge.
Maganda too.
Maganda. Yan.
You just tuck it in. That's
Yeah.
clever. I'm keep looking at the tank in front of our
Yeah,
tent.
there's a tank.
Yeah.
May tank guys, oh. What if there's a people in here?
You will find out eventually.
May tangke dito guys, oh. Ayan, oh. Grabe yung tangke na to. Ang ganda pa ng view mo. May puno dyan, tapos nandyan yung ano.
Would be nice if we could, the top
Uh-huh.
of this tank where you could actually go up and then maybe put a chair and then...
On top of the tank?
Yeah.
Nabalitaan ko, pwede kang mag-camp dito sa loob.
What did you say?
What?
What
Next
did
time we go camping inside. Yan yung isang ano. Ganda. Astig. You right, Bernie?
Very easy. Oh, I love this tent.
You love this tent?
Oh, let me see. How can I get...
Kasi yung tent natin dati malit lang eh. Oh,
I found the zip. Woo! Oh, that is so nice.
huh?
That is so nice.
You're sleeping already. We haven't finished.
I'm just trying it out.
Ganda. Ganda. Ayan, ngayon ang kailangan natin, lagyan natin ng tarp muna. Okay. Ito yung tarp na to. Set up natin. So pagkatapos nito, natin ng rug. Opa. Natin dalawang rug na to. Parang siyang carpet. There's our airbed. Opa. Yung airbed natin. Ipapump natin ito mamaya. Lagyan mo natin dito sa kwarto. Itong lamesa na to. Bago to eh. Kakabili lang natin. Try natin kung maganda siya. Lamesa natin oh. Ang ganda nito eh. Ang cute nyo. Gustong gusto ko siya kasi ganyan lang siya kanipis. Fold mo. Kunin mo lang to. Yung paa niya. 4 na paa. Ayan oh. Boom. Tapos yung ilak natin to. Ayan, wala. Yung lamesa natin. Maliit siya pero okay lang. Tama-tama. Ito ang ating upuan. Ayan. May dalawa tayo. Tag-isa kaming dalawa. Ito yung dating upuan natin. Yung first na vlog. Ito yung ginamit natin. Mabilis lang tong i-assemble eh. Okay. Yan lang siya oh. Ayun, may upuan na, di ba? Oh yes. Ganda ng ano dito, tanawin oh. Ito yung tanke oh. Look at the tank. Ito yung sleeping bag na binili natin. Yung nagkakanvas tayo ng ano. Para pag malamig. Kasi dito sa amin guys, malamig talaga. Ayan siya. Ito yung specification niya. -1. Pero yung limit niya is -3. So magkasya kami dalawa dyan. Oh. Ayan oh. Pang double. Parang kasya lang sa akin dito eh. Comfortable ito pag may isang tao lang. Dito yung ibang kumot natin. Yun. Isang layer na kumot. Just in case na malamig talaga. Ito yung ano, yung kusina natin. Pangluto, pang taran.
So you've got everything in here. You've got your cups, your bowls, your utensils. Ooh!
Oh, that's
You've got
nice.
chopsticks. You can teach me now how to use that properly.
Chopstick.
Oh, they're very good to hold, no?
Yeah. Oh,
Or nothing yet, because I don't know how to use it
a
properly.
chopstick. It's a nice view. It's nice in here, no, Bernie?
Uh-huh.
Huh?
Yeah.
Look at this flower.
Will you give it to me?
There's one flower. There's a lot of flower in here.
There is a lot. Thank you. No, I want the one.
Over here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh yes.
Hey, go on one side, no?
Good
You're
night.
not sleeping, are you?
I'm sleeping now. Ganda.
Ganda view.
Your feet is on the way.
Is it on the way? Well, I thought yours is on the way.
Look at the view. So nice in here. Sarap dito. Sobra. Check.
Is that any?
Look at that. Ganda dito. See that?
That?
So yan, yun tapos na. Ito yung airbed natin guys, oh. Yung kama natin. Parang liner natin. Para hindi masyadong malamig. Lagay natin to. Oy, oy, oy. Oy, oy, oy. So this is yours?
No, that's yours.
That's mine? Well, it says yours. And this is mine.
No.
Look. Mine.
That's mine, exactly.
Ayan o, nakahilata na siya. Wala na. Tulugan na to. Ang ganda ng view dito. Pag gising mo, ganyan yung nakikita mo.
will be so nice to wake up, no?
Alisin lang natin to, yung mga pinagkainan. Ililipat natin siya dito, banda dito. Para mas maganda yung view natin dyan mamaya. Set up natin itong mga lutuan natin kasi dito tayo magluluto sa labas. Gawin lang natin tong ano, set up lang natin tong lutaan natin para ano, makapagluto na tayo. Dito tayo set up natin ganyan. Tapos kailangan natin ng to, lagyan natin to para ano, para kahit pa paano hindi siya humangin ng todo-todo. At least makakaluto tayo diyan. Hindi tayo magpuprito. Simulan natin magluto, tara. So lagyan na natin ng itlog. Boom. Lagyan natin ng flour. Lagyan na natin tong ano, chicken. Brined lang natin. That's nice, Bernie.
Nicely done.
Hanguin na natin. Ano, luto na siya. Ayan, luto na. Lagyan muna natin dito. Just put it there first. Para mag-drain yung mantika. Ayan o. Less na yung mantika niya. Ilagyan natin dito sa paper towel para... Ayan siya. Soy sauce, garlic at saka bawang. Lagyan natin mamaya dito. Nakita nyo, no? May pumapapak na ng ano, chicken, no?
In the mean.
Here, try. Oh,
Oh.
Nalaglag sa
I'm
ano.
losing the good bits.
Nice.
Nice and crunchy and tasty.
So, alin natin. Ito, ito yung ibaw. Nagluluto natin. Gisa-gisa lang natin to. Okay na to. Lagyan ng soy sauce.
Ooh, here we
That's
are.
it.
Oh, that is
You're
so
done.
nice.
Your light is good, Bernie. Huh?
Oh, that is so beautiful.
Yung nagluluto doon.
Oh, and the food smells good.
Yes. Ganda.
think it's
Ganda ng setup
mighty.
natin.
Storm lantern, no?
Lakas pa rin ng hangin. Put the soy sauce.
Oy.
Hmm?
For the kanin.
For the kanin. Oh yeah, that's
Just
true.
our own spoon.
We don't have serving spoon. Beans with the soy sauce and garlic and what's the onion.
Yan.
And then chicken wings. We have the dip. Tapos yung kanin. Ayun.
And you got...
I want to try the chicken now.
I need it a bit closer.
Mhm.
Oof. On the side?
Ooh, wow, right on the side. Yes, please.
Love those onions. And I'm sure you love the green beans. I'm sure it's nice, so we're not gonna review how nice is the chicken.
Yeah, I think this is so nice.
In.
Dip it in first. And
Okay,
then.
then I'm just gonna taste the chicken because I know.
Malatong, naririnig ko. Is it good?
Thank you very much.
Ayos, ayos.
Good.
Successful. Ito yung sa atin guys, oh.
Okay, that's all. Oh, yeah.
Sabi ng kanin? And these beans.
I heard this before.
There you go. Grabe yung ano, hangin. Oh my goodness, Bernie, what's happening? May lalapag ata na aeroplano. Grabe. So yun guys, medyo napaaga yung camping natin kasi ano, malakas yung hangin, biglang lumakas. So doon ako kinakaban yung malakas na. Ayun na, nagigiba na. Oh no! The beam, Bernie. Hindi niya na kaya guys. Ayun o, napalapag na siya.